How to turn off Facebook likes and comments. So if you are trying to turn off the likes and comments on your Facebook post, then you are at the right place. Make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So once you're in the home page of Facebook like this, you'll be able to explore to various posts over here. So you need to reach out to the post in which you want to turn off the likes and comments. For that, simply tap on your profile in the left upper corner and you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see all of your posts. Once you select the post in which you want to make the change, you have to tap on the three dotted horizontal line at the right hand side or the upper section of this post. And if you want to turn off only the comment, then you can go for who can comment on your post option over here, and you can select profile and page you mentioned. By doing that, no one will be able to comment on your post unless you mention someone. But here we are trying to turn off the comment and like. So there is a trick. The trick is you just can edit the privacy of the post. For that, you have to tap on edit privacy and you can go for see more, or you have to select for only me, and by doing that only you will be able to see the post by which no one will be able to like and comment on the certain post. So this is the trick. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.